Where can I purchase Titan token? Why did Titan drop from $60 to nearly $0? Titantoken, a cryptocurrency startup, had its price drop from $60 per token to $0 in just a few hours. On Wednesday, June the 16th, the cryptocurrency Titan plummeted from $60 per coin to virtually zero in a matter of hours. According to sources, a group of whales who own the bulk of Titantoken drove a sell-off frenzy. Titantoken is part of the Iron Titanium cryptocurrency network. A crypto whale is someone who owns a significant amount of a cryptocurrency, such that their purchasing and selling can affect the market price. Where can I purchase Titantoken? Titantoken is a relatively unknown coin that is not well known among the crypto world, hence it is not yet listed on major exchanges. A cryptocurrency exchange is a marketplace where users may buy, sell, and trade digital currencies. Titan coin can be purchased on the following exchanges at the time of making: Titanswap, Huobi, and CoinTiger. Titan's price has dropped to $0.00000850 at the time of making. While many may see this as a wonderful opportunity to buy the coin at a low price, the coin's volatility is a risk element to consider, and it is doubtful that the currency will return to its previous price. What caused the Titan token to crash? As previously stated, the cryptocurrency Titan plummeted from $60 to nearly $0 in a couple of hours on June the 16th. According to the Register, a gang of whales that owned a majority of the Titantoken coin were at the helm of the dramatic price drop. As the whales put a massive quantity of coins into the market, the supply exploded in comparison to demand, resulting in a precipitous drop in price. As the price of the Titan token plummeted, smaller investors became concerned and began selling off their Titan stock in order to save whatever money they could. This panic sell-off pushed the price even down to almost nothing. This event is known as a rug pull, in which whales/people who own huge quantities of cryptocurrency pay out their investments, causing an increase in supply and a panic sell-off, resulting in a price fall. Keep an eye out for more cryptocurrency news.